Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Exit Fire and Go. Let's go ahead and get started. This grill arrives in the mail and no assembly required. It comes with this great cover, very durable. As a matter of fact, just about everything about this grill is over-engineered and very durable. It comes with everything you need to start cooking on minute 1 except for pellets. Battery, power cord, really that's all you need, and it comes right out of the box. You do have to do a burn-in, and rather nervously ran this all the way up to 500 degrees to burn off the factory and the oils that come from the factory, and it does smell like new paint when you fire it up. But I'll warn you, make certain you take off all the stickers. We missed one on the back, and I was able to smell that one fricasseeing a little bit while we were doing the burn-in, but fortunately didn't do any damage. There is nothing cheaply built on this. Everything fits together solid, well constructed. You can feel it when you start to move this around. Everything clicks solidly, very impressive. It has quite a bit of cooking room in it, as it kind of reminds me of an old Volkswagen Bug with a pop-up top. This lid lifts up and you have 2 layers of cooking surface. You could put sausages or hot dogs up above and do the grill cooking on the bottom. It's hard for you to tell in the video, but I'm going to do the best I can to describe to you the engineering that went into this. Everything is built like a tank, solid, well put together. That burner surface is actually pretty heavy. When you pick this thing up, you can feel that it's substantial.
Oh, that's your drip pan.
We took this portable pellet grill with us on vacation down to the lake, spent the week out there, put it through its paces, and we'll give you a review of the features and how it did, and whether or not this is a thumbs up or a thumbs down from Teach a Man to Fish channel. And here you can see where you go from that transportation up to cooking, where you gain all that room that you don't have when you're doing the transportation. It collapses down. You've also got felt lining that resides around the lid so that you don't have that metal-to-metal contact. It's not there for sealing. I think it's there just to keep the lid from banging down or clanging. Again, a nice little feature. You can run this on 110 or with the battery. I don't believe it will charge the battery. It's got a USB port as well as a battery indicator that will tell you how charged the battery is. But you use your common USB-C type charger, charge the battery up, or plug it direct into 110. For the burn-in, we went ahead and left it plugged into 110 with the transformer that comes with it, and we ran it up to the 500 degrees in order to burn all that factory off. The hopper is in a door in the front with the auger that runs back to the firebox. It is a small hopper, so if you're doing a long cook, you've got to keep an eye on it, but I'll tell you how the smoke went with the brisket. I was amazed with how long that hopper lasted. It does come with a probe that works well on temp, and there are stickers all over this thing. I already warned you, as you go through it, remove all of those stickers. Stay tuned, we're going to talk about the stoker fan and a feature that comes with it. While doing the burn off, we decided to go ahead and get the brisket up and running. We decided to do skill level 10, really put this piece of equipment through its paces by trying to do a full packer brisket. Spoiler alert, you can't do a full packer brisket inside the cook area of this grill. So we went ahead and cut the flat off, and what you can see what I'm doing right here with the injection. This is a nice little hack that my brother taught me. when you're doing the injection, you know how it goes, sprays out everywhere and comes out of other holes and other parts of the brisket? If you do it through the package, you don't get the mess. So we did have to cut the flat off, and I much prefer the point over the flat, so that's the piece that we ended up cooking in the smoker. And there's that one sticker that I smelled it cooking, but didn't notice it until we were already doing the burnout at 500 degrees, but it just popped right off. Burn off is all done. Now we'll go ahead and let it stabilize and get it set up for a 4-hour smoke with the brisket on. We also connected in that single probe so that we could monitor the temperature of the meat. As always, cook to temperature, not to time. So we started a timer so we'll be able to tell you exactly how long this brisket took. Now we're at 4 hours of smoke. Not going to put any more flavor into it, so we're going to go ahead and get set up to do the wrap. We threw in a little bit of bouillon to help with the moistness in the cooking environment, threw it back on the grill, and cranked it up to about 275 degrees to go ahead and let it roast through its cycle. Now, if you think we were in there for a 4-hour smoke, and that is all the pellets that it used, probably about a cup. It's amazing. This thing goes into this fan cycle where it sounds like it's huffing the firebox, where it's pumping it up and down, up and down. I think it's battery saving, and I've never seen a smoker use so little pellets.
Don't use your hands on the metal.
Yeah, at this point in the evening, I was a couple of drinks in.
Oh, but that ran a little high. Way higher. I had it set at 275.
No, you told me to change it to 300.
Oh, I did the last. How long ago?
10 minutes?
Always let your grills go through the off cycle to finish burning out the pellets.
Rest. Rest. Oh, it's hot. All right, coming up and over. Just get it done. Oh, wow. Yes, I did. No, just uncover.
Yeah, I was feeling no pain.
That is totally wrong. Totally wrong.
It doesn't look bad. It's juicy. It's juicy though. It's not a terrible thing.
Why is it on there? You said it looks so good on me.
That is not totally wrong. That's good.
It's got a good smoke ring for the amount of time it was on
I mean, it does have a smoke ring,
It does, but it's
which
not
is a
too
little
deep.
shocking. That quick.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. This is actually my favorite cut. Right there.
Yeah, because you get that fat cap.
All the flavor.
That's a good ring right there. That's an impressive ring.
Oh, that's a good piece.
the vinegar.
And the next day we went head to head. Jalapeno poppers in the air fryer as well as on the grill. These next clips were all done on battery, so 2 meals done on battery, not plugged in at all. Here you can really hear that smoke fan just huffing away. The grill does have a hot spot right over the burner.
I don't know. Okay, smoker.
That's the best. That's smoker. And that's the best.
And then air fryer. I agree.
The smoker's better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is crunchier. This is still, the bacon is not as crispy.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. So this one's better.
Yeah, it looks
And that
more
little
crispy.
smoke flavor gives
It's
a little
good.
extra. Yeah.
I like it.
Oh my
Want
gosh.
to try one, Pop Pop?
Yeah. There you go.
Which one's ranch?
This one.
Ranch right here. And then you decide which one you like the best.
It is hot. Once we watch us go.
And you're not even a jalapeno lover.
No?
I don't even taste the
Oh, yeah.
jalapeno.
Smoker's better.
It's not spicy. I don't taste the
It's a
jalapeno.
little spicy, but it's
It's not
good.
spicy at all. I like
You like it?
spicy stuff.
And back.
Good.
All right.
Kill me.
Get on, man.
Yeah.
I'll cut out your name. I won't put your name in.
You like both of them? They're both good.
What was that?
I like the air fryer, but
All right.
I like the smoker better.
2-to-1 smoker.
Smoke flavor. Well, I guess you got to decide. Do you want exciting or do you want boring? Because you got to go for the smoke.
Next, we did more as a traditional grill with burgers, dogs, and sausage. And we did reverse sear style, low and slow for the smoke, and then up for the sear. You may also make note that we put aluminum foil over the burn plate because it was a bit of a chore to get that baked on bacon grease and cheese and jalapeno off, so decided to make my job a little bit easier this time. So as we're figuring this grill out, you can see the hot spots. I put some aluminum on here. Bring it in close. Look at the aluminum down here. You can see where the hot spots totally are on this grill, which is true of any grill that you're working with. You have to figure out your equipment, and no doubt about it, the back side of this is the hot spot. I'm going to go ahead, instead of doing a reverse sear on this, I'm going to go ahead and do this as a normal grill to include the hot dogs and sausage going from here. That's all homemade sausage. Now we'll see what this does as a grill. Since it was a lake vacation, you know we had to do some fishing and cook some fish up on this as well. Everything besides the brisket was all done on one battery. In summary, this is definitely a 2 thumbs up. If you're looking for a portable, flexible pellet grill to take on the road, think about it. We did brisket in a portable pellet grill. Granted, we didn't run the battery, we plug connected it, but all of the rest of the cooking that we did was run on battery. That's an impressive feat for a portable pellet grill. The way this is built and designed, how sturdy it is, this is a 2 thumbs up from Teach a Man to Fish. So YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits. This is my latest upload, and over here is a playlist you might just enjoy. I hope you liked it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.